Sporting Games here, and welcome back to Wii Sports with Lo. Say hi, Lo.
Hi.
So last time I beat you in baseball, now let's see if we can beat you on bowling this time. Tempting, challenging this time, okay? Right, 3 players. Do you want to stick with what we got?
And
Okay, let's change. Right, let's see what we got. On the LVAG, as always. Right, Lo, take a pick. We have loads of me's. Righty. Quickly need to rush this, we don't have time. Right, he's checking out all the me's I've credit and made a load of them.
Jumping!
There's Beef Boss as well up on the top middle.
Is he from Fortnite?
I'm not sure. I don't know.
I play it.
I found that me. I know you made it from a tutorial video, but and it was pretty sure. I'm not sure how you spell his name right, but okay. I say Brooklyn T guy from Super Mario Logan, Logan is being, and LVAG me, Louis. Okay, right, we're gonna start now. Here we go. Right, off we go then. I'm off first. Let's see if we can get to a cracking start. Here we go. Come on now, we got this. Nice start! Straight!
Yeah, really good.
Go on, let's see how you do it. So I'm going to turn my volume up a little bit. Right, here we go. Might be a good one. Oh, unlucky, mates. Oh, so close. Turn it down. Right, that's a difficult split there. That one nearly flipped over there. No. Right.
So go for the 2.
Yeah, I think you might want to get some more points on there. Oh, I'd say. Oh, nah, they won't get it. Alright, just 2 pins there.
Yeah.
Alright then, back to me now. Do you know you can press A to skip the replay? So, alright, here we go. Let's get another strike here. Oops. Okay. This should do it. This should do it. Come on. No, you flipping troll, man. Oh my god. How come that didn't even knock over? There's something wrong with my rumour, but I still got to stay anyway. Yeah, yes. Righty. Oh, he's straight in with that. Oh my god, no way! Well done! Well done. Right, back to me now. It's frame 3. Let's see if we can get this one. Come on. Oh, that's bad. That was bad. No. Yeah! It's also a strike though, at least. Is it doing good so far? Nice one. Let's see if you can get this one. Alright then, that's a good one. Oh, another strike, Owen! You're playing good today, aren't you?
Good one!
Next one's a turkey if you get another strike.
I need to get another strike. Guys, I need to get another strike for turkey.
Turkey? Oh, that was rubbish. Dang nabbit. Oh my god, that was rubbish, man. Literally. Okay, righty. I think this should do. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm going to give it a try anyway.
Boy.
What does it work though? Right. It's a turkey chance now, but Logan, will he get a turkey? Nah, he won't get it. Oh, what a shame.
What if it gets better?
Well, you still got more points. Well, that's it, right. Can't get a turkey now in the next one. You're going to get the next strike. Right. Oh, a bit of a slow ball there, but wow, what a miss. That's a shame. Oh, what a shame that was. Alrighty. Now, we got this, seriously.
He says the right.
Come on now, strike, strike, strike.
Yes, finally.
Yes, go on, let's see how you do it. So,
T-guy.
I bet you. Oh, slow ball there.
Brooklyn T-guy has bald on the back of his head.
1 pin. No, I think that's 3 there. Oh, I think that's a few there. I'm not sure. I think that's
I might get
4
spare.
pins. You might. That is difficult to do though. A challenging spade that is. Alrighty, we are 3 minutes in, 56 seconds in now. Come on, Lemon, we got this. We're only just halfway through now. Nice one. Good square, Owen. Get out of here, righty. Come on now. We're halfway through now. It's back to me. Right, let's see if we can get this strikey. I want you got to strike. Okay, get. That's on there, right. This should do it. Come on. Oh, thank you, Tenpin. You knocked yourself over. Yes. Come on now. Well, he's falling downhill now, low in his after 2 strikes in a row. Alright, come on. Oh, you're lucky that time.
Right.
Yeah.
And
Press
next
A.
one I might get a turkey.
No, that was the first strike. Oh yeah, it was the first one. It's turkey chance now. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Oh!
No, you lost that one.
I lost my chance there. That's a difficult one. Let me see if we can get this one, if I can try.
I already did that one.
Here we go. Let's just go for it. Oh, that was unlucky anyway. Oh, that was so close though, but 135 is my total so
I need
far.
to get a turkey.
Alright, then get on with it. Oh, this might be a
Come on,
good one.
turkey.
Oh, 9 pins!
I wanted a turkey.
Oh, Lowen!
I wanted a turkey.
Don't mess with the iPad, seriously. This is filming, okay? Knocking crap over. Like, most people won't like that. We're already now 5.5 minutes in now in the gameplay. Ah, what a shot, I guess. Well, I'd say that's a good one. I'll still win though, Lowen. Watch me. Okay, come on.
Louis a pro at this game,
Look at my ball.
so it's that why it says pro.
Oh, are you kidding? Oh, that's me throwing my pillow in rage. Seriously, come on. Alright. Let's see if I can get this one. Here we go. Come on. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was close though. But come on now. We got this. He's going to get it, watch. Oh, so close.
I'm gonna get a spare.
I know, probably he is. I bet he's not, but I bet he's going to get it anyway. Lol, okay.
I've got a ball.
Oh, 2
spare.
pins. Really one. Could have a bit more. Righty. 2 more frames to go now. The scores are very close.
Yeah.
Okay, righty. Who can get this one?
I just saw iPhone Musty.
Oh yeah, I made you in the game, man. I made Musty in those Wii bowling.
Musty, if you're watching this, that was just you.
I'll just show you with the blue ball. Okay. Good strike. There he is. There he is.
That's you, Musty.
In the green ball there. Okay.
If you're watching, that's you.
Yeah, exactly. I just made it from my Roblox skin.
I
Your
don't-
Roblox skin. 7 pins there. If you get out of the way, Lowen. Goodness me.
I don't even know why I have a pink ball.
I don't even know why that's P2 player. If you're playing as a 3 player, your ball will be green. If you're P3, P4 is yellow. Right, final 5 now. It's all to play for. Here we go. Righty. Oh. Oh, that was close. Righty. Okay, we can knock these 2 down. And I get 1 more shot. Alrighty.
Why do you get one more shot?
I don't even know. Oh, that was rubbish.
Haha, got a ball.
Yeah, I knew I'm going to get a gutter. Or 1 pin at least. 1 pin. Alright, that should do it. 175 is my final total. Alright.
Oh no!
Oh, so close. 8 pins. But I don't think you can beat me now, seriously. Logan, get out of the way. Come on, you got this. Come on, Logan, you got this. Oh, that was a good one. 1 more shot as well. 8 minutes into the gameplay now. Wow. This is a long one, isn't it? Right, Margo?
Yeah.
Next time I do tennis with you, okay? Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh, come on now.
Good.
That was
I
rubbish.
wanted that to happen.
Come on. You got this now. Oh, that was so close. That was... Right, game finished. Nice one. And let's see who won. Me! Yes! Get in! I got 175, got 160 now. Oh, so close. No more Thomas, okay? Right, that's it. We're done. These kids can't be annoyed. So goodbye, guys. Shut up!